We use the M18 fuel dual battery 9-gallon wet dry vacuum for all of our construction debris, which would include everything from drywall dust to broken, chipped up tile.
It had great suction, performance is great runtime out of the dual batteries. Everything's comparable to the 4.25 horsepower units we've used in the past.
I didn't think that a cordless vac would have as much power as this one does.
The biggest problem with the other brands, the wheels, they break. With this one, the casters are smoothly, even so when we got a lot of debris inside of them.
There's less chance of it tipping over, going over the debris in the cords and the normal things that are on our construction sites.
The Milwaukee hoses are really well made. They're not collapsing like other hoses we've used in the past. When you step on them, they're not falling apart. They don't kink, they don't break. You don't lose suction. They seem like a really well-made product.
The M18 wet dry vac is very versatile. Being able to put different heads on different containers is really nice.
And it's nice that you can use different heads on different size tubs. So if you had a big job with lots of space, you can put it on a big bin. And then if you have a small job where you just need to get it into tight spaces, you can put the powerful motor on a smaller tank.
We can take them off the wheels and take them in tighter spaces and do our job well.
I should say that it lives up to Milwaukee standard. Convenience, the power is going to be far exceeding anything else they can find on the marketplace.
The cordless feature is great, the power is great, suction, durability, everything. It's just a great overall vacuum.